Hi, I'm Sosin, Faculty of Anthropology for UPSC. This is Anthro Times, a new series from SosinIAS Academy, which is aimed at providing a walkthrough for Anthropology syllabus of UPSC. In this video, I'm going to give you a brief idea of how any student has to approach Anthropology syllabus, meaning in what sequence one has to approach. See, there are different places from where you can start studying the subject. The best and ideal part from where you can begin to study the Anthropology syllabus is anthropological theory, because that lays the foundation of anthropology discipline. Nevertheless, for the convenience of the viewer, for the convenience of the student, I am going to follow that chronological order of UPSC syllabus of anthropology. Meaning I will be starting from paper 1 chronologically from chapter 1, 2, 3 in that particular order. I would be explaining the syllabus. So let us dive into the syllabus. The first term that I would be starting with will be anthropology. That is the name of the subject itself, and it is the part of chapter 1.1 of paper 1 syllabus of UPSC. As some of you may be aware that every subject comes with the relevant thinkers, the relevant scholars. So in that process, as I'm explaining different parts of the syllabus, you might be getting different names of the anthropologists, but don't really get baffled with the names that we are going to use. For the comfort of explaining, I would be using the names, but then detailing of particular thinkers will happen eventually at the relevant thinkers topic. So do not get bothered about these many names that we might be using. Now, coming to anthropology, this is a subject that has the primary focus as man. But then there can be many other disciplines having the central theme of human. But when it comes to anthropology, there is this very interesting combination, the combination of human and culture. Meaning, man is studied from different perspectives, that may be historical, biological, linguistic, archaeological, and any other ways that actually come close to man and culture. Now, coming to this particular topic of your syllabus, that is meaning and scope of anthropology. See, in the current way of asking questions, at the most we have 20 marks or 25 marks is the maximum marks that are asked for any question. So this particular topic, meaning and scope of anthropology, actually is beyond the scope of this particular length of the question. Nevertheless, I am here trying to give you the basic understanding of this particular topic. So when it comes to attempting this question, meaning and scope of anthropology, I advise that you start with a couple of comprehensive and simple definitions of the term. And when it comes to explaining the scope, meaning what are all the things the subject actually deals with, when it comes to this particular part of scope of anthropology, you will have to incorporate the approaches followed by different thinkers. Here I am using a couple of names. There is this thinker called Franz Boas. His approach is generally called Boasian approach. So for this question, Boasian approach forms the central theme of discussion. And in addition to that, you can also use the approaches followed by another thinker called Paul Bohannan. There may be several other thinkers. About them we will be talking about in the later discussions. Now, coming to which books, which reference books you will have to follow for this particular topic, I am here giving you a very beautiful and important contemporary source. That is the book written by Miller and Weiss. The title of the book is Anthropology. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel SosinIAS Academy for any updates on UPSC Anthropology.